Welcome guys, my name is Nick. We're going to go take you through a tour of the Hansen lab in the PDBIO department. Our lab focuses primarily on novel drug discovery projects and pharmaceutical research. One of our approaches we take is using computer models to simulate in silico docking with protein crystal structures and molecular binding interactions. Other things we do in our lab are cellular-based assays, enzymatic-based assays, as well as Western blots. We keep most of our stock chemicals here, but we keep most of our drugs here in our magnificent freezer. We keep all of our anti-cancer projects, our other projects related with other diseases you might encounter. It's a lot of cool stuff. We keep all of our cells here in this liquid nitrogen tank, and so we have a lot of cell cultures and cell lines here. And then we have just a basic lab, and then we have our hood here, and we keep our cells incubated in that station over there.
Hi guys, welcome to Dr. Woodbury's lab. Now while we're here, it's important to understand what it actually takes to get into a lab. So to get into a lab, one of the first things you'll want to do is you want to do some shadowing. And this is because oftentimes you won't be able to just jump right into the lab without knowing a little bit about what's going on. So professors generally like it when the students take some time, about a semester, sometime during the semester, to actually look at what the students are doing and shadow them to see what's going on. Now, apart from that, you also need to remember that these labs will oftentimes have a limit to how many students can actually join. So some of these labs, they will have a lot of students in the lab, some of them will only have just a few students. So you may have to wait some time for a student to either graduate or leave the lab in order to join yourself. Now also, some of these labs will have websites for their research groups, their lab. And with these websites, there might be a sign-up sheet that you'll want to look at, and you'll want to sign up for the group before you actually try to join in. Also, make sure that before you officially join the lab, that you actually talk to the professor, since that's basically the only way to join in.
So after communicating with the professor and following the steps as Dallin's mentioned, your professor will give you an ad code to register for research credit on BYU MyMap. Once you get the ad code, you can register for a 295R, which is introductory undergraduate research. Every subsequent semester will be 495R, or advanced undergraduate research. For every credit hour in the lab, expect to put 3 to 4 hours of actual work throughout the week. Good luck, guys.